Hello, dear friends. Welcome to Roshan's English World, your ultimate guide to mastering conversations. Do you struggle to start conversations? Feel nervous while speaking? Want to sound more confident and natural? If yes, then you are in the right place. In today's session, we are diving deep into the art of effective conversation, how to start, how to maintain, and how to end a conversation smoothly. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone looking to improve social skills, this class is for you. So get ready to boost your confidence, improve your speaking skills, and make every conversation impactful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing lessons. Let's get started without any late. Here is a conversation for you, my dear friends. This is the conversation between a father and a son. The father is inquiring and advising his son about his studies. Let us enter into the video. Here, father. Hey son, how's your study going? Son is replying, it's going okay dad. I have a lot of assignments though. I understand. Are you managing to stay on top of things? Yeah, but sometimes it feels like there is too much to do at once. I get it. Just remember to take breaks. It's important to keep your mind fresh. I try, but I get distracted sometimes. That happens. Maybe try setting a timer for 25 minutes of focus and then take a 5 minutes break. It might help you stay focused. That sounds like a good idea, Dad. I will give it a try. In this video, we seen a simple conversation between a common topic of between father and son. So in our tomorrow's class, we will be taken another conversation between two friends. Okay, friends. Okay, dear all. As we wrap up today's session, remember that conversation is more than just words. It's about connection, understanding, and expression. The more you practice, the more confident and natural you will become. Keep engaging in meaningful discussions, listen actively, and don't be afraid to express yourself. Every conversation is a chance to learn something new. If you found today's class helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful lessons.